Hello everyone, welcome once again to this video editing class. So for this video editing class, we'll be using a mobile application called CapCut. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to download and install CapCut. So let's get to it. If you're using an Android device like me, go to your Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your Apple Store. So I'll just go to my Google Play Store and click on it. When it opens up, I'll click on the search icon and I'll type CapCut on my search bar. After typing it, you're going to click on the search icon. The app that has the white background with a black logo is the one you're going to install. Be careful because there are other apps too. So you click on install and it starts downloading. It will take a few minutes to install or to download depending on your network, and after downloading it's going to install. This too may take a little while. When you're done installing, you click on enable to enable the app on your phone. Now you can go ahead and open your app. After you click on open, it will open and you'll see this notice. So you're going to click on agree and continue. This homepage is your homepage, the homepage of CapCut. So this is where you're going to see your projects, the projects you're working on. Allow CapCut to send you notifications. You can either allow or don't allow. For me, I like don't allow because I don't like disturbance. So I'll click on don't allow and I'll go ahead to click on new project. So when I click on new project, you will see another notification asking you if you would allow CapCut to access photos and videos. So you click on allow on this one. If you don't click on allow, you cannot access your pictures and videos that you will be working on. So after clicking on allow, you will get another notification again. So you can choose to turn on notification or not, right? And so whatever you choose after that, you arrive here. So in this section, you can see that there are videos and there are photos. Your videos and your photos have been differentiated for you. So you can form a video using photos. So that's why there are photos in that place, right? Now you click on the video you want to work on. So for me, I'll just select one. You can click on as many as you want. After clicking on it, you're going to click on the add button you can see below. After clicking the button, you're going to wait for it to import successfully into CapCut. So if you have gotten this far, well done. You have successfully loaded a video into CapCut. Now in the next video, I'll be teaching you what these features you can see are, what their functions are. I'm going to tell you what each icon you're seeing here is. So see you in the next video.